Hi guys, Norm with you again, and today we're having a look at this Blackstar 3225MP multimeter, and the MP means it's mains powered, and you can see the mains plug going in the back there. And this is not going to be like a teardown or a review of this meter. What we're going to do in this video is trying to add like backlighting or side lighting to this display. I mean, as you can see, the display is looking fairly good. It's fairly clear, but it would look a hell of a lot better if it was backlit. I mean, if I take, for example, my sort of everyday meter, and you can see, the display looks okay, but with the backlight, it makes it look a hell of a lot better. Can we, certainly the backlight makes it a lot nicer and easier to see. And so the plan is today to see if we can maybe add some edge lights on it perhaps or something. So the plan today is to obviously take this off, have a look. I mean, because I have got some wide angle white LEDs, and we're going to try putting a couple at this side, a couple at that side, and see how well it looks. I mean, it may look totally crap, and that may be why nobody's done it before, but let's try it and find out. Okay, so that's about as far as I can get it without taking the whole thing apart really a lot. So I think the thing to do now is to get a couple of the wide angle white LEDs, basically stick them on the sides and see if it makes it any better. Okay, well here's the little light. Let's see if we can get it to the side. Yeah, it's not really doing much, is it? So let's just try with top lighting. So, oh, maybe if I strip these along the top, it may help. Sun's nothing. It really isn't much good, is it? Yeah. I wonder if there is a contrast control for that, because obviously on the camera here, it looks very, very clear. But looking at it from above, as I am, it's not looking so good. Okay, so I've put the meter all back together. There is no adjustment for contrast of the display. It is a fixed display. And I was saying earlier that this is a well-built meter, and it is, but they've actually used the wrong type of display. They've used the wrong display. And what you find is this has got a viewing angle of straight on, and it's a negative. A lot of displays will have a plus and a minus. Well, this display hasn't got any positive, it's just got a negative, and I'll explain that in a minute with the picture I drew. That's interesting, isn't it? Picture I drew, my God. But the fact is, if you lift it up and look from below, I don't know if we can see that, but that makes it very crisp and very clear. It's only when you put it in straight on, it's fairly clear. But when you look down on it, it's bad. Now let me explain that with a picture. Okay guys, so what it is, you've got the LCD display here, and this is the viewing angle, so you're looking straight at it. And the screen that's in the meter has got a negative viewing angle of approximately 30 degrees. I've seen a data sheet for one of the other compatible screens, and that had a negative viewing angle, and there's no positive viewing angle. So you see, this area, this 30 degrees, is a sweet spot where you get a very nice contrasted display. But when we're looking from this angle, you see Norm is very sad. And you can tell that's me because I drew the beard and I drew the long hair. Yeah, very sad looking from this angle because we're not in the sweet spot. Now I did look up the other compatible displays, and I can't tell you much about the crystalloid electronics ones. I think the one that's in it is one of these VGI ones, or this comes up like Intracell, I think. And one of these VGI ones had 30-degree negative viewing angle. Now I found data on these AND parts, which are from like Purdy Electronics Limited or something like that. And there's the FE0201, 0203, 0501, and 0701. They are all compatible with this meter, and they've got a plus and minus 60-degree viewing angle. And then there's the FE2201, which has plus 30 and negative 50, which that would be better than what's in it now. So if we now have a look at the next part of the drawing, you see this here is the FE201 display, and you can see we've got a 60-degree positive and a 60-degree negative. So where we're looking at it from, you get happy Norm because we're looking at a very crystal clear, good contrast display. And so, yeah. Okay, guys, well, you've seen enough of my crappy drawings for now. So here again is the list of compatible screens. Okay, guys, so I leave you with the last picture of all these compatible displays. Now, I got this list of displays from the driver chip, which is the TC7136 ACPL, and the datasheet told me that these were all compatible with that display driver. And see, I've not found any information about the crystalloid or the Hamlin ones yet. Hopefully I can re-find the VGI information ones, the VGI Incorporated. But if any of you know about those, let me know. And I will certainly be looking for one of these AND ones on an eBay search. And hopefully we'll find some new old stock somewhere, and we can get these Blackstar meters up to their true potential. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Cheers for now.